Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaliva. See, this is 12th standard business maths, state board, chapter 6, exercise 6.1, 9th sum. The length of time in minutes, the length of time, the time is given in minutes, that a certain person speaks on the telephone, telephonic conversation. Okay, certain person speaks on a telephone is found to be random phenomena with a probability function specified by the probability density function. That is a phonic conversation, we can take it into the random in minutes. In minutes, the function is given as f of x equal to a e power minus x by 5. We should find out the value of a first. It is given in a probability density function. What is probability density function? Probability density function is integral minus infinity to infinity, because the telephonic conversation is infinity. So you can go take minus infinity to infinity f of x dx, but it is given in that value 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise means the limit, the lower limit you can take it as 0. The lower limit you can take it as 0. See, since it is here, since it is probability density function, since it is probability density function, integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1, but the function is given as 0 otherwise. So you can take the limit 0 to infinity, you can take the limit integral 0 to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. What is the value of f of x? F of x equal to a e power minus x by 5. See, integral 0 to infinity f of x. What is the value of f of x? It is given in the question. You can see the book. A e power x minus x by 5. A e power minus x by 5 into dx equal to 1. So, a is constant, you can take it out, 0 to infinity, e power minus x by 5 into dx equal to 1. A into, what is the integration of e power x? E power x integration is e power x plus c, but the coefficient you can bring it into the denominator. So, e power minus x by 5, what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5, the limit is 0 to infinity equal to 1. So, you change the sign, reciprocal that value. See here, minus 5a by 1, minus 5a by 1 into e power minus x by 5, 0 to infinity equal to 1. Now you can apply the upper limit minus lower limit. Minus 5a by 1 into upper limit e power minus infinity by 5 minus lower limit. Lower limit is e power minus 0 by 5 equal to 1. Minus 5a e power minus infinity minus e power 0 equal to 1. E power infinity is 0. So, minus 5a into 0 minus e power 0 value is 1 equal to 1. Minus 5 into minus plus 5a into 1, 5a. So, 5a equal to 1. What is the value of a? A equal to 1 by 5. The value of a equal to 1 by 5. See the first subdivision. Probability more than 10 minutes. What is the meaning for that more than 10 minutes? Probability that a person will talk over the phone more than 10 minutes. Is it clear? Probability that a person will talk over the phone more than 10 minutes. So, take it as p of x greater than 10. P of x greater than 10. Probability that a person will talk over more than 10 minutes. P of x greater than 10 equal to integral. The lower limit is 0 to infinity, here greater than 10, so you can take it as 10 to infinity. The lower limit is 10 to infinity f of x dx. F of x dx. What is f of x value? This is my f of x. A e power minus x by 5. What is the value of a? 1 by 5. So you can write integral 10 to infinity. A value is 1 by 5. A value is 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. Don't put equal to 1. When you want to find out the unknown values, it is a probability density function only. You can take it as that integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1, because you should find out the value of a. Here we know the value of a equal to 1 by 5. So you can substitute straight away that value. Okay. P of more than 10 minutes, x greater than 10. So the limit, the lower limit is 10 and the upper limit value is infinity. 10 to infinity f of x dx. F of x value is a e power minus x by 5. A value you can replace by 1 by 5. So it gives 1 by 5 is constant, you can take it out. Integral 10 to infinity e power minus x by 5 into dx. It gives 1 by 5. 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5. You know very well what is the integration of e power x. E power x. Integration of e power x is e power x. That x coefficient you can write it in the denominator. What is the x coefficient here? Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Limit is 10 to infinity. Limit is 10 to infinity. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 get cancelled. Minus e power minus x by 5. The limit is 10 to infinity. The limit is 10 to infinity. It gives minus upper limit. Upper limit is infinity. E power minus infinity by 5 minus lower limit is e power minus 10 by 5. Lower limit is e power minus 10 by 5. See the upper limit. Upper limit is e power infinity. E power minus infinity minus e power 1 by minus e power 2 minus e power 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So what is the value? Minus 0 minus e power minus 2. Minus into minus become plus. Minus into minus become plus. P of x greater than 10. P of x greater than 10 equal to minus into minus plus e power minus 2. So the value is 1 by e square. The value is 1 by e square. See the second subdivision, less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, that is probability. Probability that a person will talk over the phone less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes is nothing but what? P of x less than 5. P of x less than 5. That is probability that a person will talk over the phone is less than 5 minutes. So you can take the limit 0 to 5. You don't take the limit infinity. Infinity means more than. So 0, the lowest limit is 0 to less than 5 means you can stop the limit at 5. So 0 to 5. 0 to 5 f of x dx. It gives 0 to 5 a e power minus x by 5 into dx. What is the value of a? 1 by 5. So p of x less than 5. P of x less than 5 equal to integral 0 to 5 1 by 5. Integral 0 to 5. A value is 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. E power minus x by 5 into dx. 1 by 5 is constant, take it out. 0 to 5. 0 to 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. 1 by 5 into, what is the integration of e power x? E power x. So, e power minus x by 5, what is the x coefficient? Minus 1 by 5, the limit is 0 to 5. 1 by 5, 1 by 5 cancel, the value is minus e power minus x by 5, 0 to 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. See here, you can substitute the limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Minus upper limit is minus 5 by 5. Upper limit is minus 5 by 5. Minus lower limit is minus 0 by 5. It gives minus e power minus 1 minus e power 0. Minus e power minus 1. E power 0 value is what? 1. E power 0 value is 1. P of x less than 5. X less than 5 equal to minus e power minus 1 is nothing but what? 1 by e. 1 by e. Minus into minus plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. E power minus 1 value is 1 by e. Minus 1 you bring minus inside, minus into minus plus 1 minus 1 by e. You can take the LCM. E minus 1 by e. E minus 1 by e. Yeah, third subdivision between 5 and 10 minutes. That is the probability that the person will talk over the phone between 5 and 10 minutes. So, the limit is 5 less than x less than 10. Probability of 5 less than x between 5 less than x less than 10. So, it gives integral 5 to 10, the limit is 5 to 10 f of x dx. Integral 5 to 10 f of x dx. Probability of 5 less than x less than 10 equal to, less than x less than 10 equal to integral 5 to 10. A value is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 e power 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. 1 by 5 you can take it out, constant you can take it out. 5 to 10. 5 to 10 e power 5 to 10 e power minus x by 5 into dx. What is the integration of e power x? E power x. X coefficient you can write it in the denominator. So, it gives 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into e power minus x by 5. That coefficient is minus 1 by 5. The limit is 5 to 10. 1 by 5, 1 by 5 get cancelled. It gives, see here, minus e power minus x by 5. The limit is 5 to 10. The limit is 5 to 10. So, P of 5 less than x less than 10 equal to minus, you can substitute the upper limit. Upper limit is 10. Lower limit is 5. E power minus 10 by 5 minus e power minus 5 by 5. E power minus 5 by 5. It gives minus e power minus 2. E power minus 2 minus e power minus 1. So, the power is a negative 1 by e square. 1 by e square minus 1 by e, 1 by e square minus 1 by e. It gives, you multiply minus inside, 1 by e minus 1 by e square. Minus into plus, minus 1 by e square, minus into minus, plus 1 by e. E square is the denominator. E square, you can take it as the LCM. E minus 1. E minus 1. So P of 5 less than x less than 10 equal to e minus 1 by e square. See the 10th sum. Suppose that the time in minutes that a person has to wait at a certain station for a train is found to be random with a probability function specified by the distribution function. It is a probability distribution function. It is given in a form of distribution function. We should find out the value of probability density function. Suppose that a time in minutes, a person is waiting for a train, certain station for a train is found to be taken into a random. The function is given in a form of what? Distribution function. See the first question in your book. Is the distribution function is continuous? If so, you give the probability density function. Is the distribution function is continuous? Yes. See here, 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and x greater than or equal to 4. Yes, the given distribution function is, yes, the given distribution function is continuous. Distribution function, yes, the given distribution function is continuous. Function is continuous. Then you should find out the value of what? Probability density function, small f of x. Capital F of x is given. You should find out the value of small f of x. The first question, as the given distribution function is continuous. See, small f of x. Small f of x, you should find out probability density function, small f of x equal to d by dx of capital F of x. D by dx of capital F of x. It gives 0. First one is 0 for x less than or equal to 0. The second one is what? X by 2. Differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 for 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. What is the next one? 1 by 2. Differentiation of 1 by 2 is constant. 0. 0 for 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Next, differentiation of x by 4. X by 4 is, differentiation of x by 4 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 for 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. Next, the last one is 1. Differentiation of 1, it is a constant. 0 for x greater than or equal to 4. 0 for x greater than or equal to 4. See, the first subdivision is more than 10. See the first subdivision, more than 3 minutes. Probability that a person will have to wait for more than 3 minutes. More than 3 minutes. Integral 3. What is the last value? 4. More than 3 minutes. F of x dx equal to integral 3 to 4. 3 to 4 and x greater than 4. You can choose two values, 3 to 4 and x greater than 4. So 3 to 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into dx plus this value is x greater than or equal to 4 value is 0. 3 to 4, 1 by 4 into dx. You can take it as 1 by 4 out. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into integral 3 to 4 dx. 3 to 4 dx. So it gives 1 by 4 into x. 1 by 4 into x. The limit is 3 to 4. 1 by 4 into upper limit minus lower limit. So the value is 1 by 4 into 1, the value is equal to what? 1 by 4. More than 3 minutes is 1 by 4. See the second subdivision, less than 3 minutes. It means that probability that a person will have to wait less than 3 minutes. Is it clear? Probability that a person will have to wait less than 3 minutes. So 0 to 3 f of x dx. 0 to 3 f of x dx, you can split the term. 0 to 1 f of x dx plus 1 to 2 f of x dx plus, see in this 3 value is there. So 2 to 3 f of x dx. Is it clear? 0 to 3 because less than 3 minutes. The lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3, less than 3 minutes. So you can split the term 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 because 3 is the limit, upper limit. So 2 to 3. See here it gives p of x less than 3 equal to, less than 3 equal to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. What is the limit for 0 to 1? What is the value? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into dx. 1 by 2 into dx plus integral 1 to 2. Integral 1 to 2. What is the value here? 0. 0 into dx plus integral 2 to 3. Integral 2 to 3. 2 to 3 value is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into dx. 1 by 4 into dx. So it gives 1 by 2 into integral dx plus 0 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into integral dx plus 0 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 2 to 3. 2 to 3 dx. 2 to 3 dx. So 1 by 2, the limit is 0 to 1. The limit is 0 to 1. X, the limit is 0 to 1. 0 to 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 into x. The limit is what? 2 to 3. The limit is 2 to 3. Substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. Substitute the upper limit minus lower limit plus 0 plus 1 by 4 into upper limit minus lower limit. So it gives 1 by 2 into 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 4 into 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, you can take the LCM. 4 is the LCM. 2 plus 1, so the value is 3 by 4. So P of x less than 3. P of x less than 3, that is less than 3 minutes the value is, that is probability of a person. Probability of a person will have to wait for less than 3 minutes, value is 3 by 4. See the third subdivision, between 1 and 3 minutes, that is nothing but a probability that a person will have to wait for between 1 and 3 minutes. Probability that a person will have to wait between 1 and 3 minutes. So P of 1 less than x less than 3, it gives integral 1 to 3. Integral 1 to 3 f of x dx. So you have a value 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. You can take the value 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. If it is 4 also, 3 it is in the limit. So you can take that value. So it gives integral 1 to 2 f of x dx plus integral 2 to 3 f of x dx. 2 to 3 f of x dx, because 3 is in the limit. So 1 to 2 f of x dx plus 2 to 3 f of x dx. So it gives p of 1 less than x less than 3 equal to 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 f of x, 1 to 2 f of x value is what? 0. 0 into dx plus integral 2 to 3, integral 2 to 3, what is the limit? 1 by 4 into dx, 1 by 4 into dx. So it gives 0 into any number? 0 plus 1 by 4 is constant. You can take it out. Integral 2 to 3 dx, 2 to 3 dx. So it gives 1 by 4 into x. The limit is 2 to 3. So it gives 1 by 4 into upper limit minus lower limit, that is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 value is what? 1. So 1 by 4 into 1, the value is equal to 1 by 4. The value is equal to 1 by 4. See, p of 1 less than x less than 3 equal to 1 by 4. It is nothing but what? Probability that a person will have to wait between 1 and 3 is 1 by, between 1 and 3 is 1 by 4. I hope you enjoyed, children. See here, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.